Hello, 大家好. This weekend we're going camping with Mei Mei and Mei Fu, and Jay's gonna actually make a cold Chinese noodle dish for camping because that'll be easy to eat while we're there.
每一年只有那么1、2个月是比较好的露营时间，过一段时间就会很热，然后虫子就会特別多。
I was charging our camp light, and this is also like a electricity outlet because we're still bringing a blow-up bed. I think some people call that glamping.
What is that?
It's when your camping is not like roughing it.
Oh, really?
You still bring luxuries with you. Ooh, are you roasting some peanuts?
I can make some 麻酱。等会儿拌那个凉面吃，加1勺盐，1勺糖，点点生抽，再加一点香醋，加点水进去给它化开。化这个麻酱是很需要时间的，慢慢的。
So as you know, both Mei Mei and I are pregnant, and this is probably our last camping trip we can get in before we're just really big and uncomfortable to sleep outside.
True.
Yeah, so I'm glad we're going now. Gonna get the cooler all ready, bringing all the American condiments.
准备很多吃的东西，冰块，生菜，牛奶。水果，草莓，哇哦，热狗 hot dog，
American pickles.
You want a ketchup?
Yeah, ketchup.
That's American sauce.
Okay.
这个拌面好吃。
吃吗？
拿不到中国的面，就拿这个意面来代替一下 spaghetti, right?
Yes. Linguine. Take a sneak of the sauce. That'd be really good on noodles.
切点大蒜，做一点点这个花椒油。OK， 凉面我们给它加入这个芝麻酱。大蒜里面加点生抽，加一点点老抽，糖，花椒油加在这边。
But very delicious.
OK， 加入这个花椒油酱，这个酱加进去。
This is actually really a pretty simple dish.
再加一些这个花生，香菜。
Oh, that looks really good. Put the nuts in there.
尝一点，看好不好吃。
Good?
Wow.
Oh no.
Do you like it? It's good, huh? Isn't it?
Let's not bring it to Mei Mei and Mei Fu. I'm just kidding. Let's just eat it now. I packed up my bag and got the blankets and some other food things ready.
All right. 准备好了 ，Let's go. Whoa! Heavy. 我们的帐篷还有这个睡袋。
Okay, we're all packed up. We did it. And we are only 2 minutes late. I was aiming for 3:15, so.
Okay, let's go. Buckle up.
Right. Oh, yep. We're on our way. We're on our way to a camping trip. Woo-hoo.
All right, we're almost there. Beautiful.
That's nice. We're in Wallace State Park. It's in Cameron, Missouri. It's actually not too far from our home. Hello. Hi. Welcome. Thank you. This is so fun.
Here we go.
Camping. Very nice.
Hey Jay.
Hello. Oh, I like your beard.
Thanks. It's new.
Oh, you can grow it out at your job?
Yes, I can.
Oh,
as long as it's
nice.
not too bushy.
Oh, this is really cute.
I collected just for a little bit.
Oh, that was
I
you,
thought someone
Josh.
just...
They left us little sticks.
One that
For the pregnant ladies, we have a close bathroom. We need
That's
it.
why I booked that site. I was like, okay, 2-minute walk to the restroom.
Yep.
Look at those brothers. Cute. This is the bathroom we have here. This is where you can check in with the camp ranger. Oh, wow. Oh, Josh.
Oh,
Oh. That's funny. Oh, okay. Not bad. Not bad for campground bathrooms.
Very clean, actually.
Yeah. These the showers? Wow. Even it has little places for you to put your stuff there.
Our last place we went to, remember there was just like more like bugs. And
Yeah.
It just smelled a little gross.
Yeah. No.
Distance of each trail as well.
Perfect.
Oh, great.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
We like hiking. So we got a map.
White sheet of paper in the very back of that box is a map of all the campgrounds.
okay.
If you're out walking around, you can walk through the park, mark down the sites that you like. If you're online, you can say, oh, that one's booked. Well, this
Yeah.
one's open. I like that one.
Yeah.
Oh, that's perfect.
Oh, wow.
Them are already sold out because people booked them last year or this year.
Wow, that's great.
Just keep that thought process. Our
So we just got our camp wood, $5 for a bundle.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
The ranger was so kind. Put the firewood.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now, make sure you keep your food in the cars.
Okay.
Right?
For the bears.
Raccoons are terrible.
Oh, raccoons. Okay.
They will steal you blind.
Oh, cute. They even have a...
Oh, that's the nicest packaged
Yeah, that's
firewood
cool.
I've
I
seen.
never-
So I never see that before.
Yeah, that's so great.
Great.
He said the raccoons would even come into your tent. Okay, thank you. We'll let you know if there's a raccoon.
There we go. Perfect. Look at that.
That's so sad.
We got the tablecloth set up. Got our little light going here. That'll be sweet at night. This is our tent, which looks like it could eat Mei Mei and Meifu's tent. I don't know how you guys are gonna sleep in here. That's so tiny, guys. Josh blowing up the air bed.
All right. 差不多就收拾好了。
Welcome to our room.
Cute. 等会儿我们再生点火，然后做个晚饭。Are you dig a hole?
Yeah, you do dig a hole, and then you can easily put the match or the lighter under it,
Cool.
and it's just much easier to start that way.
Yeah. 所以现在是最佳的时间来露营。
奶茶.
对。
Half gallon of milk. And I'm making the tea right now.
很专业啊。这个火升起来了。Good job.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Our tea time.
So cozy.
Tea time.
Tea time.
If I want to cry at that in a joyful way rather than so.
Wherever it stays level. Yeah, that's pretty good.
He's chilling. Oh, Josh is joining. Yeah, it is actually a two-person one. Look at these brothers. Guga and Didi.
Are your hands hot?
What did you make, Mei Mei?
I made Mexican rice bowls.
Wow. We can just heat it up on the fire and eat it.
This is yours. Can you test it?
Wow.
Make sure it's warm enough in the middle.
Oh, look at the cheese, you guys. I did put a lot of cheese on.
That looks good.
So you got black beans, corn, cheddar cheese, and cilantro and lime rice, right?
Yes.
And then we will put on some sour cream.
Oh.
Is it cold?
Definitely warm.
Perfect.
Great.
All right. And I know.
啊，你看这个上面的这个 cheese，
I would do that.
呜，好香啊。Put another things on the top.
Mei made some Mexican bowl. There's cilantro and lime in the rice. Mei.
You like it?
It's so good.
It's really good. I love it. 好吃。
All right, so we finished up dinner. We're winding down, and we'll see you in the morning.
现在已经有点天黑了，他们在烤棉花糖吃。
早上好. So I didn't sleep very well, but we're having a good morning and thankful that it should be another nice day out today. 今天美美做早饭 bacon, and what's in the foil this time, Ellie?
Biscuits.
Oh,
For the
biscuits.
breakfast sandwiches.
Meifu, how did you sleep?
Slept okay. I
Yeah.
woke up quite a few times, just being cold.
Yeah.
This is my favorite part about camping.
Is the coffee in the morning?
Yes, the coffee around the campfire. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I like it a little more done. I would eat this as is, and we're gonna do eggs,
Yeah.
cheese. Did you bring mayonnaise?
There is mayonnaise.
There is mayonnaise.
鸡蛋。Who wants to?
We're all doing two. Everyone's getting 2 sandwiches.
Really?
Yeah.
That's cute.
It's in between. Josh the Eggman.
The Eggman.
Cheese time.
Cheese time.
This is American food. We put cheese
Jesus.
on it all.
Hey, cheese on the edge. Whoa.
Does Roma do Roma?
Oh.
They look like hamburgers. Amazing.
Yeah.
Wow, masterfully done, Bean. This is a bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit. Bean. Oh, everything's done so well. So well.
Awesome.
Great camp breakfast. Wow.
Oh.
He bring mayonnaise. That's great. Oh, I was
You want
so
some,
hungry
sister?
too, so it's even better.
Put some on the
So it's good?
There you go.
Yeah. Yeah, that's just what I need.
Whoa, big bite.
That is great. Wow.
Camping is one of the coziest places to read.
All right, so we had a pretty chill afternoon, but now it's looking like rain. So we're actually heading back home for a ramen night.
We're not as real campers as we thought.
Yeah, but then we left our tent set up with the tarp, so we'll just come back to sleep after the rain is done.
Yes.
We had a really awkward story happen last night. So Jay, you went to go take a shower at the camp showers.
Yeah.
Josh came with you just to go to the bathroom.
Yes.
But then when you were showering, Josh, what happened?
The last shower stall, there was pink undergarments, like kind of hung over. And I'm like, oh no, I think a woman like accidentally went into the men's shower. Like Jay's like trying to talk to me about my past and stuff like that, and I just can't focus on the conversation because there's a woman next door to us.
Showering at the same time as Jay.
I think I just felt so bad for her. Yeah, because she didn't make a noise. Like
She probably was so embarrassed.
Yeah.
It's not like you can just come out and be like, sorry. Like, that's even more awkward. So you just gotta stay in
She
there.
probably realized she went to the wrong one.
Yeah. Awkward times camping. So guys, how's your camping trip?
Oh, good.
Oh,
Sometimes
it's
hard
great.
to kind of rough it camping, you know?
Yeah.
It can be a little draining. But,
Yeah.
I think we're holding up well.
Yeah,
But we are heading back tonight.
that's true.
So-
We're still
We are
dedicated.
sleeping there tonight. Yeah, because we're camping.
That's
Right
right.
now.
Right now.
Currently, we are camping.
She 现在在看 最新出来的电影《彼得潘》。All right， 我们现在又装了一些东西，因为太冷了。
We had to pick up more blankets and towels to go back to the campsite.
We're heading back, and we won't come back again until we're actually done camping.
That's right.
Why do you like camping?
I like camping because it's fun to cook outside and you get to cuddle at night because you're cold.
I think I just like being in nature and having to do everything outside, mostly outside, to sleep outside and wake up and hear the birds, and such a different experience from normal life.
And Josh?
Why do I like camping? I really enjoy just seeing nature. Really good access to hiking. You can just hike pretty much whenever you want. And you get all smoky and kind of gross, and just makes you appreciate all the more like what you have, you know, in modern society. So,
That's a good point.
yeah.
Jay, why do you like camping?
I like to see the nature. I don't like leaving my phone and scream all the day. I feel like it's a great time to relax your mind, your eyes. Workout time! All right.
Good job, Jay.
Breakfast. So good. Wow. Got a little bit black pepper and the garlic powder. So it tastes a little bit garlic.
It's so tasty.
Oh, thank you.
All right. Where are we going?
We're going for a little hike. It's our first hike of the camping trip.
Okay, let's go hiking.
Yay!
We're sharing belts.
My pants I'm falling down. And Josh gave me his belt.
Thanks, Josh. What a brother.
I do what I can, you know.
Wow. 漂亮. Today is very beautiful.
Yeah. Of all lakes, it's pretty clean.
We're taking our babies for a walk.
Yes. Cute. Oh, that's a cave. Wow. Fair?
Yeah, this is fun.
Uh-oh, they're going off the beaten path.
Oh, we need to go down here.
All right, brought out our noodles.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That smells good.
Good.
It smells so fresh.
Pregnant sister first.
Oh, thank you. Wow. Yum.
But it's so convenient because we don't have to heat up the fire again for this lunch.
It's so light and fresh. Such a simple taste, but so good.
Sorry.
Oh, wow.
Thank you. That's so much food.
Welcome. Good eye.
That's great.
Oh, good.
Good work, Jay. That's delicious.
Oh, good. Just a simple cold lunch.
刚才我们去徒步旅行一下，现在回来稍微休息一下，我们玩一下卡坦岛。I don't know how to say that.
Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for camping with us. 再见.
谢谢.